Hello everyone, welcome to GoTech. In today's video, we're going to learn how to make a calling app. How you can make a calling app like your phone dialer or WhatsApp dialer. So, without wasting some of your time, let's start. Okay. First of all, what we're going to do is that we're going to open to our sketchware app. So sketchware. Okay, this one is the project I was working on before. So now let's click on the addition icon, and okay, the application will be calling app project name is calling. Make sure you're following my steps so you don't miss out. Okay, first thing you're going to do here is that you can see the empty space, you can see the layouts, you can see the widgets at the left hand side. So first thing you're going to do is that you're going to click on linear, the one bracket H. Click on linear. Now click on width. Okay, it's already matched the parents. Click on height, then click on match parents. I hope you guys are still following me. Now next thing you're going to do is that you're going to drag the image viewer under widget. Drag it, but before you drag it, click on the linear edge, the one you have dragged inside the empty space. Now look for gravity, set it center horizontal and center vertical. Then you can drag the image view here. Now let's change image height. Okay, let's match to parents. The width match to parents. Now next thing we're going to do is that we're going to choose our image. So how to choose your image is that you're going to click on the three dots at your right hand. Three dots. Then click on the three dots. You see library, you see view, you see image. Click on image. Now there is no display here. So how we're going to add our image is that you're going to click on the addition icon in your right hand side down. Click on it. Then click on add image. When you add image to your gallery and photos will come out. Choose your gallery or your photos anywhere you wish to. Now check where your image is, where you can find the image you want to use. Now click on okay. Now my own image is in downloads, so I'll use this one. Okay, let's name our image. Okay, let's allow it like this image. Hope I'm not too fast. Click on add to my collection and save. Okay, I've saved it before, that's why I said duplicate this thing. So let me change my this thing img and save now. Okay, the save is complete, and click on it will save automatically. Now come to your app dashboard, click on the image. When you click on the image, then you go to another menu pop out. Click on this image and change this one, this default image, to this the one you have selected. Then you can see your listing. Now let's go to the events. Now if you look up, you see view, you see of events, you see components. So what you're going to do next is that you're going to click on event. If you click on event, click on view at your right hand side. After clicking on view, you see an addition icon will come out. Click on that addition icon and choose image view 1 and add and add. So click on image view 1 and click on the apple icon. Click on component and let's add component. Now the component you'll be adding now is indent. Indent. If you look at your left hand side up, you see indent. Click on it. Now let's name it calling or call. Just name it call. Add. So first thing I'm going to do is that look for indent set action. Drag it to this place. Now next thing you're going to look for is, okay, you drag start activity to this place. Now you drag intent set data. So now drag intent set data at the back of intent set action. Then drag this set activity to this place. Now click on intent, the button after intent, and select call. Click on this and select action is what call. What you're doing here is that you're going to you're setting the action of when image is clicked. If you click on image, what will happen? That is what you're doing. So now click on indent and select call. Click on set data. Click on set data. You see this, please follow this example. So what we're going to do is look for your column. Now put your own number +234. I'm going to add my own number here, +234. This is also my WhatsApp number, so if you have question about this, you can WhatsApp me. So +2349039256458. Now save. Now this intent, select call. Now I think we are done. So go back. You can select background color. The design also like it very beautiful. Let me choose orange. Okay. Nice. Okay. Now our app is done. So click on run. So guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe. Okay, click just once now and click on install. So open your app, allow. So let me on my data. Let's to know whether our app is good. Click on the same button. I use this to make call. It's already calling this number. So you can also just do that. You're going to cancel it. So now, guys, if you want to subscribe, what to do is that I'm going to teach you how to use the app and web development and how to make money with it. So if you have not joined this community, make sure you subscribe down below. And if you like this video, don't forget to give me thumbs up. So see you in the next video. Goodbye.